हेलो, वेलकम टू योर वेरी ओन चैनल मैनिफेस्ट विद शिल्पा अरोरा शर्मा। और अगर आप वो हैं जो कि मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हैं अपनी ड्रीम्स और आप वीडियोस देखते रहते हैं रिपीटेडली, यू आर डूइंग अफर्मेशंस, यू आर आल्सो विजुअलाइजिंग योर गोल्स बट नथिंग इज हैपनिंग, देन लेट मी टेल यू एज अ मैनिफेस्टेशन कोच, द ट्रूथ इज दैट इफ योर एनर्जी इज नॉट राइट, you will not be able to send any signals to the universe. You literally need to be in the high vibration zone. अब ये high vibration zone क्या होती है और ये manifestation zone क्या होती है, these are the terms, but don't worry, I'll tell you everything in detail. And जब आप ये मेरा पूरा वीडियो देख लेंगे, then I promise you one thing, जो भी आप manifestation techniques कर रहे हैं, they will start giving you results. So please watch the full video, बिकॉज नॉलेज मिले तो पूरी, नहीं तो क्या फायदा है। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, और आप वो बेल आइकन प्लीज प्रेस कर देना सो दैट यू रिसीव नोटिफिकेशंस next time I upload the video. And all my videos contain, all the techniques that are applied on my students and they give results, and I upload them here as a gratitude to the universe so that I reach more people like you. Okay, let's start how to manifest anything. So simple principle है, you can manifest literally anything. हाँ जी, anything. Like मैं एक पार्टी में गई and this female was like, आज की जनरेशन को लगता है कि मैनिफेस्ट करके कुछ भी मैनिफेस्ट हो जाएगा। एंड आई सेड लिटरली यस, दैट्स ट्रू, आई एम अ कोच, पीपल लिटरली मैनिफेस्ट एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग विद मी। करना ही क्या मैनिफेस्ट होता है, यू वांट टू मैनिफेस्ट अ गुड हेल्थ एंड एनर्जेटिक लाइफ, या फिर आप एक लविंग पार्टनर मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहोगे, या फिर आप मनी मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहोगे, money which comes through passive incomes like somebody else is earning for you, or you would want to manifest a great business. Everything is possible through manifestations. Now the simple hack is कि manifest करने से पहले you should be in the manifestation zone. और ये होती क्या है manifestation zone? So I follow Dr. Joe Dispenza and he has done a wide research, all scientific, that whatever emotions we feel, they all have a frequency. And there are a lot of people who are making these machines these days that you put them on your head, and when you are feeling an emotion, it reads the frequency and it can literally tell you कि आप सैड हो या हैप्पी हो या ब्लिस में हो या ग्रैटिट्यूड में हो। लिटरली ऑल इमोशंस कैन बी मॉनिटर्ड। नाउ हाई वाइब्रेशन जोन इमोशंस क्या होते हैं? हाई वाइब्रेशन जोन इमोशंस आर वेयर यू आर हैप्पीएस्ट एंड दे हैव द मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी। सो इमोशंस लाइक ब्लिस, gratitude or love, these are high vibration emotions. और अगर आप इन emotions में ज्यादा रहते हैं, then whatever manifestation technique you do, they happen very fast, the results happen very fast. Now अब how to get into high vibration zone, because आप बोलोगे कि ठीक है मैम, आपने तो बता दिया, अभी मैंने वीडियो देखा, वीडियो देखने के बाद somebody fought with me, या मेरे को कोई स्ट्रेस आ गया, and how can I stay in the high vibration zone? Now टेक्निक दे रही हूँ which people just apply. तो एक बार आप टेक्निक्स देखो और उनको फॉलो करो। सिंपल से हैक्स हैं, एक बार बैठना है, वीडियो पूरा देखना है एंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप अप्लाई करना है। आई गिव यू 5 स्टेप्स एंड वॉच all of them and apply. And हो सकता है you almost there, you did maybe 369 555, or you are doing mirror manifestation, water manifestation, और किसी का result नहीं आ रहा है। If you're going to just do these 5 tweaks, you may never know, the result might just come tomorrow. It's just up to you and the universe and how well you are able to send the frequency. So number one, the hack number one, the step number one is get your self concept right. हाँ जी, कि आप आखिर क्या करना चाहते हो लाइफ में, क्या करने के लिए पैदा हुए हो। और सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर ऑल्सो अबाउट हु आई एम, व्हाट इज माई आइडेंटिटी। सो मेरी नंबर वन अफर्मेशन इज दैट आई एम द चाइल्ड ऑफ यूनिवर्स. And when this kind of affirmation gives me the self concept, it keeps me in a very high vibration zone. Like if you really have that self concept that I'm born to do this and that, no matter how much your situation is bad, you will always vibrate high because you would have that belief. You can borrow my affirmation, I'm the child of universe, to start with, and add your another concept, what you're born to do. Now let's look at the point 2. Step 2. This helps every single time to every single person. मेरा रखा है श्री अंद्रा पीछे, and I focus on it every day, 5 to 10 minutes, and that works like magic. You can have your own spiritual routine. You can do some chanting, or you can do some meditation, breathing, or, if you're doing any deity worshipping, that is also fine. But just do something. The best spiritual routine always is your journey inwards if you're introspecting and meditating. So if you do deity worshipping, then please do it for gratitude and internal connection and not just for rituals. Because अगर आप सिर्फ rituals के लिए कर रहे हो तो वो मैं तो नहीं count करूंगी spiritual routine में. It will just be a ritual that you're doing. Want to connect deity worshipping to spiritual routine, then please do it internally with gratitude and for connection. Now, next and very simple and no brainer, easy to understand step is go for your dopamine. It's important. Go move your body, go for a workout. When you are going for workout, your body feels happy, and then you naturally have a happy hormone which keeps you in high zone every time. And the time when you're working out, at that time just focus on the workout so that you're able to get the maximum of your time and you're in happy high and all the problems and tensions go away, so you will be naturally in high vibration state. Now, step 4 is speak your affirmations every day. Now, this is a must. Like, I give my 7 signature affirmations. You can do every day, or when you come in my coaching, I sometimes specifically work on your affirmations when I'm working one to one, and those affirmations work magic. Like, if you speak every morning, at least once in a day, in the morning you should do it, so that you feel that high vibration, and you must feel them. अगर आप मैकेनिकली अफर्मेशन कर रहे हो तो सॉरी टू से आप बोलोगे कि कुछ फायदा तो हुआ नहीं है. It doesn't work like that. You have to literally feel them. और मैं छोटी छोटी affirmations बता रही हूँ. Like, you can do this affirmation, I'm blessed, and literally just feel it, that I'm blessed. And if you do it properly, you literally start feeling blessed, and you will literally start attracting blessings from all over the place. Now, next affirmation I can tell you here is that I'm ready to receive, and when you are saying it, you literally start receiving all the benefits from all over the place. Now, my manifestations are happening now. This could be another affirmation which you can use. So the affirmations are beautiful, they are magical, and when I'm working with people in my coaching, I take affirmations per chakra also, and every week we have this dose of affirmations that we are giving to ourselves, and it literally helps us going in high vibration zone. अब आ गए हम step 5 पे. बहुत ही simple है, and I talk about it all the times. You look at my Instagram handle, you look at my YouTube, or you look at my LinkedIn where I'm talking about business people. It's gratitude. You must practice gratitude. It's a ritual. And if you do gratitude, the number one thing that happens is that आप जिसका भी gratitude कर रहे हो वो multiply होके manifest हो जाती है. कितना simple है. दूसरा ये है कि comparison जब हम करते हैं दूसरे लोगों के साथ, so we get rid of that also, because we start respecting our own journey. There is no comparison. So gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. When you will do gratitude, so you will not even complain much for other people. You will say, okay, they are doing their best. और जो भी कर रहे हैं मेरे लिए अच्छा ही कर रहे हैं. So you will be, chill, like staying in high vibration. So it is going to be very, very beneficial for you. अब मैंने 5 steps बता दिए हैं, और simple ये है कि you can join a community like mine, or you can join my coaching also. बहुत ही easy है कि ये सारी चीजें you will not forget. You will be in the rhythm of it. And then just get your manifestations one after the other. जैसे कि मेरे सारे students के साथ होता है. फटाफट फटाफट manifestations होते हैं. Okay, and then what next? अब आप हाई मैनिफेस्टेशन जोन में हो, हाई वाइब्रेशन जोन में हो, do your manifestation techniques and get your manifestations like a pro. And this is the most powerful and easiest way to manifest anything. Okay, तो please comment में मुझे बताना, did you follow these techniques? How do you feel about this? And let me know which video you want to see next. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye. Subscribe.